my little sister Evangeline is going to draw a headband girl. Give her a round of applause. First, start with the plant. Draw oval shapes. You can do as long as you want. And then draw the hair behind for more detail. And now draw a line and another line, and draw longer line and a longer line. Curve here. Draw the neck and draw the lines here and start to draw the head. After, trace your hair all the way into the middle. It looks like a watermelon. Well, it's not a watermelon. Make as much as strips as you want. And then draw a headband. And draw the ears. Draw the hair at the front. And draw a little gap for the bow. Draw 2 lines in the other one. Draw the shoulder line. And draw one heart. And write anything that you want. I'm gonna write I love you. Then make the band. Draw lines for your hair. Make as much strips as you want. And if you want, you can draw more lines. You finished the sketch, so now let's colour it in. First get your purple, and now colour in your jumper. Don't colour in the cuts. And then get your turquoise and colour in those lines. Colour in the bow again. Colour in the headband. Make the spots. Make as much spots you want. You can do a different colour. Get your peach and colour the skin in. It looks like a bald girl, which is not bald. After, draw the dots. Now colour in the flats. And then get your yellow. Get your gold. Now you finish the hair. Let's colour the heart in. If you want, you can get your blue and draw clouds. Now she's standing outside. She's looking at the sky. You can draw the sun because it's a sunny day. And then you can get your black and draw some birds. Now get your yellow and colour in the beak. Get your blue and make the sea in front. She's at the beach. She's in the water. You can stop here and draw a fish. Get your black, draw the eye. You can draw more fishes if you want with a different. Now let's finish with the sea. Maybe the bird is flying to catch the fishes. Well, I hope they don't get eaten. If you want, you can get your pen, any colour pen, and write your name. Well, I'm not Harper, I'm her little sister, Evangeline. And I'm gonna sign her out like Harper. Well done, everyone. You finished drawing. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.